No way I just put all that together. Oh my gosh.
Well, here we are. April 15th, opening morning for Missouri turkey season. Time flies, I can tell you. I feel like I was just in here saying September 15th, opening day of bow season. And here we are, opening day of turkey season. Me and Bo are gonna go out and try and get it done this morning. He's never killed a turkey. I would love for us to double up. I'm just excited. I'm ready to go chase some birds. Hopefully we got lots of action coming. There's a big one strutting right now, and I'm not kidding. I don't see the hens at all, but I definitely see their strutters. Okay, now I gotta figure out how to get my badass down. Should I just jump? We're on to. Had a hell of a morning. We've had really nothing within range. We've spotted a few off and on, but let's see what we can make happen. It's Tuesday, the second day of season. Yesterday was not my day. Just seen a couple birds. The farm I usually hunt, somebody was on it, they doubled up. So went back last night, couldn't get any to roost, went there midday and just saw a couple of hens. Yeah, so I'm gonna try a brand new farm this morning. I went there last night after the initial spot, trying to get birds to gobble, and I thought I heard 2 gobbles in the distance, but we'll see. We're out here. It is windy. There's some storms blowing in. It's supposed to be severe today, but we'll see. The real question, I have not heard a single bird gobble. I mean, in these new mics, this wind's blowing 40 miles an hour, so I'll be curious to know how they sound. I'm getting 0 gobbles right now. I heard a couple gobbles early. It's just dead silent now though. It's windy as hell. I finally got a Tom spotted. He's about 170 away, maybe 200 away. On an opposing hillside, I'm slipping through the woods now. I saw him strutting on that hill, so we're gonna make a move.
I rolled him. No way. No way that just came together. No way. No way that just came together. No way. No way. No way I just put all that together. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That's a big boy. That's a big boy down. I got it done. It's so beautiful out. It's so beautiful out right now. That bird, I've been working him all morning. I don't even know what to say, honestly. He came running. I was set up on top of this hill. Let me set this, hold on. Fix this camera. Okay. I was set up on top of the hill. And really been a quiet morning. The wind was so loud I could hear a faint gobble. Well, that faint gobble was literally just down in this bottom. So I crept down here, was raking in the leaves, and he could hear me raking in the leaves. And I watched him, he come running off that hillside. I got it on camera. He jumps on that log. It was so cool in the creek. And then I hit him with one soft call and he came up, honestly, to about 12 yards and he spooked. And I shot him when he spooked, but smoked him. What a morning it was. I'm so happy right now. That bird came in, gobbling. I mean, on a rope. It was a slow start, but oh, it feels good. Thank you, God. Oh, that's something. You find God in the woods, guys, and that's all I can say about it. These birds are so beautiful. I mean, this is the prettiest bird I've ever killed. I am lucky.